Hi there! In this tutorial, we will learn about Panorama. Panorama is an eye-catching feature that allows you to set a 360 image view at the starting point of your tour, or in any other location in the tour. Let's find the Panorama feature in our workspace. To reach Panorama, go to Spaces, select your tour, click on Workspace, find the Digital Twin Studio, and click Panorama. To enable Panorama, pull the toggle to the right. Please note, if you have already created a panorama for another tour, you can import it by clicking on these three dots. Before you add a panorama, we have a few settings here. Set a start view. Use this if you want the panorama to show up automatically upon entering the space. Note, if your panorama wasn't set as a start view, you can find it in the tour by clicking on the 360 icon, which will pop up here. Next is animated transition. Use this if you want to make an animated transition, like a flyover effect, between several panoramas added to the tour. Let's add a panorama. Click on Add Panorama. The name of the panorama will be auto-generated from the file name. The allowed formats for the panorama are JPEG and PNG images. You've also got the maximum size indicated in here. The photos can be done in any app, but it's most important that it is of decent quality, has an 8K resolution, and does not exceed the size limit. Set as default. This means you can select the main panorama. If there are several panoramas added to the tour, use this toggle to decide which panorama, out of several, will show up upon entering the tour. Now, I will add my panorama, click on Upload, and click Add. As you can notice, my panorama has appeared in here. Now that the panorama is uploaded, we see in the top right corner Set Start Point and Set North. When you set start point means that you are setting the starting point of the panoramic view. You can choose it like this. For example, I want this to be my starting point, and I click here. Setting north, on the other hand, means that you can set up the compass of your panorama so that the users know the direction of their view. You will notice that a compass will appear in the left down corner of the panoramic view once you access the public link of the tour. I will set this as my north direction, and I click here. Click Save. Now I can access the public link. As you can notice, this is my start point that I have set, and I have my compass, which moves along as I move through the panorama. Now, let's add hotspots. A hotspot is a place or action you can add to your panorama. You can add hotspots on your panoramic image to help users get oriented with surroundings of your space. What are the near places of interest, advertise any website, play music, or redirect users to another panorama or another tour, and other actions attached to the hotspot. To add a hotspot, navigate this plus sign in here and choose the location of your hotspot. Let's say I want it to be here. Click on the plus button on the uploaded image for your panorama. Pick a name. Choose the icon from our library. Let's say I choose this one. Pick a color. We have in here several action types. Choosing an action type means assigning an action to your hotspot. You've got Matterport Flyover, Matterport Instant, Tour Link, New Tab, Panorama, iframe, Music, Text, Image, Lead, Video. I will add a video. I will add my YouTube link and click on Add. Click Save. You can see that my hotspot number 1 has appeared in here, but also on my panoramic image. Let's add another hotspot. Let's say we will choose this location for the hotspot. Click on plus, pick the name, pick the icon of the hotspot. I will choose this color and I want to assign a Matterport instant action type. Now, go to the Matterport tour, select your location, click on U to get the link, click on this, copy it, go back here, insert it, and click Add. My hotspot number 2 has appeared in here, and I click Save. Great, let's add a third hotspot. I want the location to be in here, go to plus, name it, choose your icon. I want the color to be yellow, and the action type that I want to assign, let's say I want music. I will upload my music file and click Add. Always click on Save. Now we are ready to check the public link. So we've got our 3 hotspots. Let's go one by one. This is my number 1 hotspot. A video was assigned to it, so as I clicked, my YouTube video has opened. Amazing! Now hotspot number 2, it was supposed to redirect me to the Matterport tour, so it's in there. And my third hotspot, I have assigned a music action type. Let's see. Now the music is playing in here. If you want to add another panorama, just click on Add Panorama, upload it, and click Add. If you want to be redirected to this panorama, all you have to do is go to your tour, assign this panorama to a tag, and as you click on the tag, it will redirect you to this panorama. To know more about the rest of action types and how to use them, please access our article. Now you know how to add panoramas, and you know how to add hotspots and how to use them.